Morning, how's everybody? Hope you had a wonderful weekend. We are back after the weekend for a new week, and this is the week where every single data set is going to be assessed and reviewed and taken apart in the minutest manner possible. This is the last week before the Fed speakers go into a quiet period before the Fed meeting on the 9th and 10th of December. This is a crucial week for the markets. The markets are already quite spooked by the AI sector issues, the fears of high tech sector valuations, and with that, the fact that there may not be a rate cut in the 9th, 10th December Fed meeting. That is all something that is weighing down on the markets and is serving as headwinds. So, because of that, the markets have actually been in a bit of a dip. There was some positive momentum following the comments from one of the Fed governors, the New York Fed president, who has a crucial place in the Fed board, and at the level at the time of the meetings, he votes in every meeting. And because he's the New York Fed president, it is thought that he also has the ear of the chairman, Jay Powell, and it's being felt that the comment he issued saying that there could be a rate cut in the near term may possibly have been after discussion with Jay Powell. And the markets all over the world reacted positively to that, and there is some positive momentum in as a result of that. So therefore, all focus on data sets this week to see if we are heading towards a rate cut in December. My prediction, yes, we will get a rate cut. The markets are expecting that, but my prediction is that the overall situation being as it is, we will get a rate cut in December. So remember that we were the first ones to tell you about this, and this prediction, as always, will be true. So be prepared for that. Because of the positive momentum, there was some growth in Bitcoin over the weekend as well. It went all the way up to 88,000, even though it's dropped back to 86,000 now. But there was some positive momentum, and I think when the markets open today, both the markets and Bitcoin will climb as a result. The US dollar has not been able to show much momentum because if the fact that there's going to be a rate cut and on 9th and 10th December would mean that the US dollar is going to weaken as a result. So therefore, the euro is strengthening against the US dollar. We're not seeing much strength in the US dollar. Gold prices are also on their way down, especially now that the markets are looking to rally. I don't expect gold prices to go up anytime soon. Oil prices are again moving sideways, and I expect oil prices to drop if the if the US brokered peace deal between Russia and Ukraine goes ahead, which it seems that it will be going ahead in some shape or form, even though the European Union is not too keen on it and Ukraine is not keen on it at all. But depending on the outcome of that peace deal, the oil prices could go up or down. If that peace deal goes ahead, oil prices are bound to come down. So my prediction that the markets are going to rally this week. We will get a rate cut in December, and with that, the prices of Bitcoin will also go up. But I think when that happens, gold and the US dollar will both come down. That is my prediction for this week.